Good afternoon, beautiful people. Welcome back to Young Money Investing. I've got another trading recap for you today. I was trading crude oil this morning. It is Wednesday, May 25th, and like I said, I was trading crude oil. Took one trade, ended up being a loser. It was pretty quickly a loser. There was no waiting around on this, so I'm not too terribly upset. Not the best entry for me personally. I wasn't, I guess, paying attention to all of the indicators that I normally pay attention to, and ultimately I think that I could have avoided this trade or found a better entry, or possibly even a short instead of a long. But you live and you learn. So if you appreciate this content, please go smash that like button and let's jump into the trade. Alright, so we're looking at the 15-minute time frame for the crude oil futures. You can see here I have this trend line drawn out, kind of the beginning here, starts on Tuesday, touch, all the way moving up, and then the idea was pretty simple here. I was going to wait for a retest to the bottom part of this channel and just take a trade back up to the local high here at about 70 or so. What actually ended up happening is price action broke straight through, and so if you can see here, I got in at $74 and then I got out the very next candle at 73.74. So 26 point loss. I was trading two contracts, so that's a total of $52. Not the end of the world, but like I said, I should have been paying attention to the RSI. RSI was kind of flat from about 6:15 onwards, even though price action was making highs, and going back here to slightly earlier in the day at about 2:30 a.m. You can see RSI peaked out, and then even though price action was making new highs, the RSI was not moving up alongside it. So if I had been paying attention to that, I probably would have rethought this trade, because as you can see here, my entry turned into a Marubozu candle, which pretty much means that it opens and moves pretty much straight in one direction here. Let's see, the open was 74.41, the high was 1 cent lower, and then the low was 1 cent lower than the close. So obviously very, very strong selling pressure on this candle. And then I did get taken out probably. It was pretty quick. It was probably about 5 or so minutes later. So you can see that we did come down, retest, and then reject back off. Not really sure what price action's doing right now. It just kind of looks like it's going sideways a little bit, but this is why we use stop losses. So my loss was contained. I didn't have to take this all the way down to the low on this candle was 73.14. That would have been like, I don't know, 200 bucks in the hole, roughly. Not too bad, all things considered, but again, that's almost 100 ticks in the hole. Glad I was able to avoid that. This trade did not work out for me, but you live and you learn. So I'm gonna take this information moving forward. I'm going to make sure that I take a look at the RSI before I go ahead and place any trades, and hopefully we avoid this. Looking at it with fresh eyes now and with hindsight, which of course is 2020, this really wasn't a great setup. You can see we are running into this resistance level right at about 74.40. So it wasn't the best setup, all things considered. I think I was just a little bit hasty. I kind of wanted to get a trade on, which is not how you should be day trading, and kind of violated my trading strategy, and I took the L, which is negative reinforcement. So hopefully I learn, hopefully I get better, hopefully you guys all get better. If you enjoyed watching this video, please let me know. Go down, smash that like button, show me a little bit of love, a little bit of appreciation, and I will see you all next time. Peace out, homies.